To begin the company registration process, click on Start a New Company. If you already know which jurisdiction you want to register your company, select it from the drop-down list. Choose your field of activity. If you already have a website or presentation, insert a web link to them. After that, briefly describe your future business. For example, an outsourcing company providing development services for SaaS projects. Next, choose the company registration package that best suits your needs. Click Next and proceed with the standard registration process through Google or by manually filling out the information. After registration, you will be redirected to the payment stage. Make the payment, and the company creation process will be initiated. If you are not sure of the jurisdiction in which you want to establish a company, click on Help Me Choose and provide us with general information about your future business. Fill in the description of the business activity. Select the countries in which your new business will operate and choose the projected turnover in funds per year. After that, Fast Track will automatically suggest jurisdictions that are most suitable for your business. After finishing the selection, double-check and confirm the data for your future company and proceed to the package selection and payment stage.